Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can manage customer data and increase sales using Pipedrive CRM. Pipedrive is a favorite among many users because it's simple and easy to get started with. Its simple navigation helps you find exactly what you're looking for quickly. Plus, it makes setting up automations very easy. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Pipedrive, from logging in to setting up automations and managing your pipeline effectively. First things first, you need to log in. If you haven't already, you can start with the 14-day free trial to see if Pipedrive works for you. Enter your email, set up a password, and go through the quick onboarding process where you'll answer a few questions about your role and your experience. Once you're set up, you'll be taken to the main interface. When you first log in, you'll see your pipeline. The default stages in the pipeline are qualify, contact made, demo scheduled, proposal made, negotiation started. These stages help you track the progress of your deals from initial contact to final sale. However, you may find it more manageable to start with the leads inbox. The leads inbox is a great place to collect all of your leads before converting them into deals. Here, you can add the contact person's name, the organization they work for, the deal's value, and assign a label to the lead. Let's create a lead as an example. Click on the leads inbox and enter the details. John Smith from YouTube, with a deal value of $5,000 and a warm lead label. Click Save, and you'll see the lead added to your inbox. In the leads inbox, you can add activities such as calls, emails, or meetings. For example, if you want to schedule a follow-up call with John Smith, you can quickly set it up for tomorrow. This makes managing your leads straightforward and ensures you stay on top of your follow-ups. Once a lead is qualified, you can convert it into a deal. Scroll down to the bottom of the lead's details and click the Convert to Deal button. Choose the appropriate stage in the pipeline where you want to add this deal. For instance, if you've made contact with John Smith, you might add him to the Contact Made stage. This converts the lead into a deal and adds it to your pipeline. In the Deals pipeline, you can manage your deals more comprehensively. Click on the deal to open its details, where you can set an expected close date, schedule meetings or calls, send emails, add notes, and upload files or documents. You can also track the deal's progress through the pipeline by dragging it from one stage to another. If the default pipeline stages don't fit your sales process, you can customize them. Click the Edit button next to the pipeline and you can change the stage names, reorder them, or add new stages. For example, you might want to add a closing stage for deals that are in the final stages of negotiation. Once you're done customizing, click Save Changes. To connect your email account with Pipedrive, go to the Sales inbox and click on Connect Email Account. Follow the prompts to log into your email account, and Pipedrive will sync your emails. This integration allows you to manage your communications directly within Pipedrive, ensuring all your customer interactions are tracked and stored in one place. With your email account connected, you can send emails directly from Pipedrive. Open a deal or lead, click on the email icon, and compose your message. You can also use email templates to save time on repetitive emails. Track email opens and clicks to see how your recipients are engaging with your messages. One of the powerful features of Pipedrive is its automation capabilities. To find the Automations menu, click on More in the left-hand menu and select Automations. At first glance, the automation screen might seem overwhelming, but it's filled with helpful suggestions and templates to get you started. Let's create an automation using a template. Scroll down to the Add New Deals template. This template will create a deal every time a new person is added to Pipedrive. This automation helps reduce the number of manual tasks you need to perform, allowing you to focus on more important work. Select the template and follow the prompts. First, you'll be asked to set a trigger condition. You can choose to trigger the automation for any new customer or a specific type of customer. For example, you might want to create a deal only for hot leads. Select the appropriate condition and click Next. Next, select the person type that you want the email to be sent to. Choose a template. Next, choose a condition. Once you've set these details, click Save. Now you'll see a workflow view showing the steps of your automation. You can click on any step to edit it. For example, if you want to change the trigger condition, click Edit and make your changes. Once you're happy with the setup, save your automation. To activate your automation, you'll need to toggle it on. By default, new automations are inactive. Turn it on to start using it. To test the automation, add a new contact with the appropriate conditions. For instance, add a contact labeled as a hot lead, and you should see a new deal automatically created in your pipeline. If you want to create an automation from scratch, you can do that too. Go back to the Automations menu and click Add Automation. Give your automation a descriptive title and optionally add a description. Then set the trigger for your automation. For example, you might want to send a welcome email when a new customer is added. Select Person Updated as the trigger and set the condition to Label has changed to customer. Next, add an action to your automation. In this case, you'll want to send an email. Choose Email as the action and select whether you want to create a new email or use an existing template. Select the template option and choose your welcome email template. Specify the recipient, typically the primary email of the contact, and configure any additional options like tracking email opens. If you want to send a follow-up email a few days later, you can add a delay to your automation. Click the plus button to add a new step, select Delay, and set the duration, such as 3 days. After the delay, add another email action with your follow-up email template. Review your automation steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, save your automation and activate it by toggling it on. You can always come back to the Automations menu to edit or deactivate your automations as needed. Managing customer data and increasing sales with Pipedrive involves more than just setting up leads and deals. It's about staying organized, automating repetitive tasks, and making the most of the features available to you. Let's explore some additional features that can help you achieve these goals. The Contacts menu in Pipedrive is where you can manage all your contacts and organizations. Here, you can add new contacts, edit existing ones, and view all the interactions you've had with each contact. To add a new contact, click the green Add Person button. Enter the contact's details, such as name, organization, email, and phone number. You can also add custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. Similarly, you can manage organizations by clicking on Organizations in the Contacts menu. Adding organizations helps you keep track of the companies your contacts work for, which can be useful for B2B sales. When you add a contact to an organization, Pipedrive automatically links them, making it easy to see all contacts associated with a particular company. To keep your contact data clean and organized, use the Merge function to combine duplicate contacts or organizations. Select the duplicates, click Merge, and Pipedrive will combine the information into a single record. The Activities feature in Pipedrive is essential for managing your daily tasks and ensuring you stay on top of your sales activities. Activities can include calls, meetings, emails, tasks, and deadlines. To add a new activity, click the green Add Activity button. Fill in the details, such as the type of activity, the due date, and the associated contact or deal. Activities are color-coded in your calendar, making it easy to see what you have scheduled for the day, week, or month. You can also set reminders for activities, ensuring you never miss a follow-up. Insights and reporting in Pipedrive provide valuable data to help you track your performance and make informed decisions. To access insights, click on Insights in the left-hand menu. Here, you can create custom reports and dashboards to visualize your sales data. In summary, Pipedrive CRM is a powerful tool that helps you manage customer data and increase sales. By using features like the Leads Inbox, Deal Pipeline, email integration, automation, contacts management, activities tracking, insights and reporting, and integrations with other tools, you can streamline your sales process and focus on what matters most: closing deals and growing your business. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Pipedrive for free.